long time no speak. I haven't honestly filmed in months. It's literally been months. It's crazy because I always used to film every week. Life just got in the way. I graduated, I've started a new job, whilst I've been doing, my boyfriend bought a house, so I've been doing all stuff with that. Yeah, thought I'd film myself getting ready. So you would have just seen me washing my face, and I washed my face with this. This is from Vanity Planet. This video is not sponsored by them at all. This is their cleansing kit brush thing. I've been using the silicone head on mine, and I just washed my face with the simple face wash. I've been using anything, you know, it doesn't really bother me. This is like a really gentle brush for sensitive skin, so I've been using that to cleanse my face. Then I just used my Q10 day cream. I read a blog post of someone's reviewing like Aldi skincare and how Aldi skincare compares to loads of different other brands. The Q10 cream obviously comparing to the Nivea Q10, so I picked that up because I have been using the Nivea Q10 before. They are literally exactly the same, if not the same cream. I need to go and wet my beauty blender. Shock. So I'm just using this, which you won't be able to tell what it is, but it's by Covergirl. It's their All Day Flawless Coverage Foundation and the Collection Lasting Perfection. I'm mixing those because this one's a bit darker. It's not my usual room, obviously. You'll probably be able to tell that. It's also not my uni room. This is actually my boyfriend's new house, and it's the bedroom, the master bedroom of his house. So that is one of the main reasons why I've been away, to be honest, is because everything's just been full on. Like, I've been working like full time pretty much since I've left uni. I've got 2 different jobs. So obviously one of them being the Bristol digital marketing job, and the other being a Ribena job that I do. And then just taking the e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Light. I've been working those 2 jobs during the week and on the weekends as well, so some weeks I haven't actually had a day off, and in between doing all of that I've been moving into this house and helping my boyfriend move in, because move all of his stuff as well as mine. He has obviously been away a lot with cricket and always is away a lot, so I've kind of been doing that for him. All just very, very busy at the moment, and I just haven't had time to do YouTube, but I've been watching so much YouTube, so it feels like I haven't really been away, but I have. I'm gonna be consistent from now on, but I want to just put a bit more effort into my videos as well, so if it's just once a week but it's a better video, then I'd rather do that. Anyway, YouTube I've been loving. Can we just briefly mention the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star documentary? It was such a good series. I've still got the finale to watch. It hasn't come out yet when I'm filming this, so I've still got that to watch, which I'm buzzing about. Like, he's really shown a side of Jeffree Star that no one knew really existed, and I think everyone had an opinion on him. He's a very controversial character, and sometimes the things he can say can be a bit, you know, and he's obviously been racist in the past and things, but he's actually such a lovely human, and it's crazy. I'm so happy he's done that documentary to kind of, you know, show what he's really like, which is great. Oh, let's try this. So I picked this up in New Look yesterday. I don't know why I was in New Look. I just randomly walked in there. I was on the phone. I think I just strolled in, you know, without even realising. And this is their foundation contour stick. I got it in the shade Natural Tan, and it's a little bit darker, and I just wanted to use it for contour. But yeah, so I've graduated as well. You wouldn't have seen that, but you might have seen that on my Instagram if you follow me on there. I graduated beginning of July now, actually, and it's the beginning of August, so pretty much a month ago, which is, again, crazy. Feels like yesterday that I graduated. I've got some time to focus on my YouTube, as well as, you know, my other business, the job that I have in Bristol. Yeah, everything's busy, but a good busy. I like being busy. And then it's coming up to the end of the season, which is actually really crazy. I can't believe the cricket season's kind of sort of nearly over. Graduation was totally average. It was so lovely to see Kia again, but I didn't really get to speak to anyone else. It was a very weird one. I ended up wearing that Zara suit. I don't know if I'd ever showed the Zara suit on my channel or not, but I bought that back in October 2017, and I've saved it for graduation ever since, because I knew that I wanted to wear a suit, and I really liked it. I saw it in stores and I tried it on, and then it came out that Rata, you know, Emily Ratajkowski, whatever she's called, the really fit one, wore it for her wedding day when she got married, and I already had it to wear to graduation, and I ended up getting it tailored because it, like, the extra small was so big, so I got it tailored, and yeah, I was so happy with it. I think it looked really, really cool. It was really different. No one else wore a suit, and I was really happy about that because I just didn't want to go to graduation looking like I was going on a night out, because you can look like that anywhere on a night out. So I'm glad that I wore a suit. Kind of the start of the really, really hot weather, which is something else to talk about because, wow. It has been non-stop hot here, and I love it. I don't even know what a coat or a jumper is anymore. I can't remember the last time I went out and, you know, thought I need to take a coat with me, because I just haven't. The weather's been lovely. Graduation was so hot, and obviously I was in a suit, so I was boiling. I mean, some people in there had to leave because they felt really faint and they thought they were going to pass out. It was long, like I think it was an 1.5-hour ceremony, but it just dragged on because you got to listen to every single person in your like faculty's name go up, get the thing, and it's just very repetitive. Yeah, it was okay. It was a nice, you know, family occasion. That's done. That chapter is over, thank goodness. It's funny because everyone I see can just tell how happy I am that uni's over. I find it actually quite strange that my first video back is a get ready with me, because I'm not interested in makeup anymore. I chuck on the same makeup every day. I love to do it, and I have like a, you know, a bit of a collection for when I go out or something different, like eyeshadow palettes and things. But yeah, I just didn't think I'd really be doing makeup again, but I suppose it's kind of like a morning routine, get ready with me, chit chat. I'm gonna take this NARS Laguna Orgasm Duo, mini duo thing, and just use Laguna. That New Look one was actually really nice though. I've always wanted to try a foundation as like a contour stick because I think it gives coverage as well. I am like 100 away from 10,000 on YouTube, which is crazy, and I feel like I've been at that number for a really long time, and I have, because I've been very MIA with YouTube, so you know, that's fair enough. But I just really want to get to 10,000 now. I can't believe 10,000 people. That's crazy. And I always feel with YouTube, my goal was to always get to 10,000, because once you get to 10,000, I think people start taking you a little bit more seriously, instead of just being this tiny YouTuber just speaking to a camera, you know. Like, I don't think of people, like when I'm filming this, like actually watching it. It's a bit, so I don't really know, you know, why I do it, because it feels like I'm talking to myself, but people do actually watch it. You know, I have people who religiously watch my videos, which is crazy. I love making videos. I find it so fun. It's just I haven't had time to do it, but now I know that I've got a lot more time to do it, which is great. That was the Sephora highlighting compact powder in rose, oh I don't know, rose pink, yeah. I'm very nearly done. I don't know whether to put any blush on. I've got Warm Soul here from MAC. Might just put a little bit on. Today I'm just gonna, I want to tidy Dom's house before I go back to mine for a night. I think I'm back at mine, and then I'm back here again. Go back, recoup, see the fam. I can't believe I'm nearly at 10,000, it's crazy. My clear aligners, I am officially done with changing my trays as such, but I'm now wearing my retainer, so I've got to wear my retainer for 6 months after, the same as I would any other tray, so I've got to wear it 22 hours a day, and then after the 6 months is over, I only have to wear that at night then. Brilliant, and I can't wait for it to come to that, because just feels like I've always had them. I can't remember a time where I didn't have aligners, which is weird. Yeah, my teeth are so much straighter, and it's funny, like Dom found a video of me the other day on his phone of me like talking, and he said, my god, look at your teeth, and the difference of where my teeth were so wonky down here. It's crazy. I'm so happy I did it. Honestly, if you ever have doubt about your teeth, or have ever thought about doing clear aligners or Invisalign, whoever you go with, I really would recommend it. Obviously your Smile Direct's much more affordable than Invisalign. I remember going to Dom's one day and being so upset about my teeth, and I cried because I just really wanted my teeth sorted. My hair's actually changed since I recorded last. I've actually got a fringe, but it's just pinned up whilst I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go and grab a lip gloss. I think I'm just gonna put on a nude lip gloss and sort my fringe out, my hair, and then I'll be right back to show you. But I have a fringe. Ta-da! This is my fringe. It's so strange having a fringe. Kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. It is very high maintenance. It looks amazing one day, you sleep on it and it looks shite. It looks awful, whereas I'm so used to doing my hair, like straightening it, sleeping on it, waking up, and it's still okay to, you know, go out in public in. Definitely perfected the knack of washing my fringe over the sink. But yeah, I do really love it. I think it's different for me. I've never really had a different hairstyle other than a middle part blonde and down, so I definitely wanted to do a fringe. Emma Louise Connolly is the most beautiful human I've ever seen, and she had a fringe, and I just kept seeing her fringe and I was like, I've got to do it, I've got to do it once. So I did it a week before graduation. I know I was mental, because if that went wrong I would look hideous, but actually it worked out okay, and I think it looked pretty cool with my suits. I don't know what my plans are for this video really. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it here or carry it on. I want to show you my outfit. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll show you my outfit, see what I get up to, and that is that. But this is my hair and makeup that I've done. Obviously I'll do close-ups of the products, leave them all listed below, but it's so good to be back. Let me know what videos you want me to do. I definitely want to do more fashion videos, more lifestyle stuff, but yeah, I'm back, and please, 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 I'd love to get to 10,000, so if you have any friends who you want to recommend me to, subscribe, whatnot, I'd love to hit 10,000, I honestly would. It would be incredible. Let's get on with my morning. So I thought I'd just record my outfit like this really quickly. This is just my chill outfit that I'm wearing. I'm just going back home and going into town with my mum. So this twist kind of beigey tan top is from Zara. It's like a knitted top. My jeans are my Bershka jeans, just, you know, the loose kind of baggy-ish jeans. My slides are Pull and Bear, and I cut the back off of them to make them slides. My jewellery is the rings in the middle. This one is from a designer that I can't remember. I did that through the blogger program. This is Daniela Draper, my signet ring, and then on this one is the same ring as on the other hand. So you saw my hair a bit hot, so my fringe is looking a bit worse for wear at the moment, but I just put it in a ponytail with my fringe. And then for my necklace, my chest looks really red, but I've been working Ribena and I wear a top that's like this, so I've caught the sun in like a circle and it's pretty gross. My necklaces, I have just changed these basically. So the chain, what it should be is just this necklace. This is the Pisces necklace from Stillness, the Anna Saccone collection. That is what Kia bought me for my 21st birthday. And then the other charm that pendant that I've just put on it is this Guardian Angel pendant. I get a lot of questions on this. My boyfriend's nan actually bought it for him when he went away for the first time playing cricket to keep him safe. He gave it to me. So two very important necklaces indeed, and I've just got them on one chain because I think it looks nicer. So yeah, that is my outfit for today.